Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Woohoo! I want to tell you about a wonderful site that I use to get gift cards, to get cash, and it's just wonderful. But it's called ZoomBucks. Yes, yay! Free to join, yay! Free merchandise later. But for those who don't know me, I'm the free merchandise lady. I'm about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free later. Like I said, this is ZoomBucks, and you could do surveys, you could watch videos, you could do offers. And what I want to tell you, what I do is, like, for instance, the surveys. Look at this: 254 points, 6 minutes. What I do is the one that has the least time and good amount of points, and I start on that first. That way, it add up fast, and it don't really seem like you've been doing surveys for a long time. You don't want to start with the 12 minutes because you seem like, ooh, that take too long. But if you start with these little ones, start with first, and then everything start adding up. That's the way I would do it. And then you can watch videos. Look at this. Watch videos, start on those, and then do offers, whatever they might be. Look at that. They have the different offers for you to do. And like I said, make sure you fill out your profile and about me. And really, the more that you have on that, the better off you will have with your surveys. And that's how I do it. And really, when you look at the gift cards that they have to offer, you say, hey, I can get just about anything just by taking out your time and doing it. Look at that. Krispy Kreme donuts. Look at that. JC Penney. Look at that. Amazon. Macy's. Look at that. IHOP. You name it. Nikes. Let's go down the line. Papa John's or and Office Depot. But my favorite is, look at it. Pop, PayPal. Look, ain't nothing like this. Like one week, or you could do it that same week. Have my Papa John and have my PayPal money. Woohoo! And be singing. But anyway, you could go on. Look at that. TG got Fridays. Look at that. Burger King. Go on and on and on. And look, you could set a goal and look at that PayPal from $2 to $100. Like I said, it's hard to these budgets these days, but if you take your time and do a little bit of surveys, watch videos, put the videos on automatic. You could do it that way. Just a great way to earn. The link is below. Get started. This is some free merchandise later about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. Check out ZoomBucks. It's the way to go.